What?
You like it? Did you like it? This one? You like it? You like it? You like it?
Nathan. Hey, Nathan.
What?
Ethan. Did you like the apple juice?
Yeah.
I give you some more.
Apple juice.
You want some apple juice now?
Yeah.
Where's your glass?
I don't know.
Don't forget your rice crispy, okay? This is for you, okay?
Mom, those aren't even real Rice Krispies. Those are fake.
Who told you, Caroline?
They're
Who told
fake.
you?
They're fake.
That is recent food. That's fat free.
They're fake, Mom.
No.
They're generic.
Huh?
They're generic.
What is it?
They're generic.
I don't know what you are talking about. Why is it fake? They're not fake, Caroline.
It's not even Rice Krispies. It's crispy rice.
Same difference, dude. Gee.
It's crispy rice.
Still make Rice Krispie treats out.